Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to see another part of determiners, and actually we are going to continue here the same topic, that is quantitative determiners. And in the quantitative determiners, today we are going to see the another group of some determiners, and that group is much, many, much, few and less. Okay, much, many, few and less. Okay, so in our today's class we are going to see the use of them and the difference between the use of many, much, few and less. Okay, so here, dear guys, you must understand the meaning. Okay, first of all, understand the meaning of these words. Okay, meaning of these words. Okay, so here actually many denotes number. Many denotes number. Okay, many denotes number, while much denotes quantity. Okay, so you can understand here the difference between many and much. Many talks about number, much talks about quantity. So by that you can easily understand that many is used before countable nouns. Okay, why? Because countable words or countable nouns can be counted in numbers. Yes, so simply you can say many is used before countable nouns, while you can say much is used before uncountable nouns. Okay, so much and many, the difference between both are many is before countable noun and much is before uncountable noun. Okay, so understand the difference between many and much. Why? Because many denotes number, while much denotes quantity. And here few and less. Okay, few is opposite to many. Few is opposite to many. Yes, means to talk about less number must कम number बताने के लिए we use few before countable noun. Okay, same here, countable noun. While less is opposite to much. Okay, few is opposite to many and less is opposite to much, talking about number and quantity. Okay, so same you can say here, few is used before, or few is talking about numbers and less is talking about quantity. Okay, same again, you can say here numbers and here quantity. So less is used with uncountable nouns and few is used before countable nouns. Okay, so simply you can say here, so to write this in your copy. Okay, many denotes numbers. So simply here you can add, instead of writing like this, here you can say few and here less. Okay, this way, few and many denotes number, less much denotes quantity. Okay, so you can write like this. So write down here and here denote. So few and many denotes number, less and much denote quantity. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. And same here, many is used before countable nouns Same again here you can write down few. Okay, few is also used before countable nouns. Much, so here less. Less or much is used before uncountable nouns. Got it? And few is opposite to many, less is opposite to much. So this is what the difference between the use of less, few, much and many. Okay, do write fast in your copy, then we will see these with examples. Okay, we will see some examples of this type. Do write fast. Okay, so let's see some examples now. So the first one is, look at now, let's see some examples of many and then much and then few and less. Okay, but the very important thing about them is, as I told you, many and few are used before countable nouns. Much and less are used before uncountable nouns. Okay, many, few, countable nouns. Much, less, uncountable nouns. Many, few, countable nouns. Much, less, uncountable nouns. Okay, so now let's see examples. Okay, first one, there are many flowers. There are many flowers in the garden. Okay, there are many flowers in the garden. So look at there, flowers, countable noun. We can count 1 2 3 4 flowers likewise. Okay, so flower is countable noun and that's why we can use many here. Okay, another thing we can say here, many people come to see me. Okay, many people countable. Okay, 1 2 3 persons can be counted. Okay, लोगों को हम गिन सकते हैं. People. Okay, so many people come to see me. So here with the countable nouns we use many. Okay, while much is used with uncountable nouns. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Look at there some example. I had to put in. I have to. Okay, I have to put in much hard work. Okay, much hard work. So look at the hard work cannot be counted. Hard work cannot be counted. It is uncountable. It is uncountable noun. It is uncountable noun. So with uncountable noun we use much. Okay, so I had to put in much hard work. Okay, I have to put in much hard work. Simply we can say, or again fourth one you can say, I need. या फिर simply you can say that there is much sugar. There is much sugar in the pot. Look at there, sugar, it is uncountable noun. Sugar, it is uncountable noun. Sugar, it is uncountable noun, and that's why before it we have used much. So as I told you, the difference between much and many before countable nouns and much before uncountable nouns. So same there with few and less. Okay, so now let's see the examples of few and less. Now we have understood the difference between many and much. Many before countable nouns, much before uncountable nouns. Okay, now let's see some more examples of less and few. Okay, less and few. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth one example. Okay, fifth one example of few. Okay, a few people, simply we can say a few people, or simply people, it is more examples are done of that, where a few students attend the lectures or the lecture. Okay, the few student or a few students attend the lecture. Okay, a few students attend the lecture, or simply you can say a few students come to attend the lecture. Come to attend. Okay, it is better to say come to attend the lecture. Come to attend the lecture. Okay, second, again you can say a few. Okay, few. She had very few. She had very few books. Very few books. Books, again countable noun, few books. Okay, so as books is countable noun, there is few. Okay, so and as I told you, it is exactly opposite to any. Okay, any sorry, exactly opposite of many. Many का बिल्कुल opposite है ये. जैसे many ज्यादा संख्या दर्शाता है, so here few कम संख्या दर्शाता है, मतलब बहुत कम. Few. Okay, so but the common thing about them is both are used before countable nouns. Okay, second thing is of less. Okay, now let's see the use of less. Okay, she had less time to study. So look at the time, uncountable word. Okay, or uncountable noun, time. She had less time. Okay, you cannot say she had few time. Few, it is wrong. Few is used with countable nouns, while less is used with uncountable noun. So here time it is uncountable. Yes, so here she had to say less. She had less time to work hard or to study. Yes, again you can say that eighth one is he faced less troubles or less troubles we can say. Okay, she faced less troubles. So this way with uncountable we use less. Okay, as to be a cautious, he faced less trouble, uncountable word. So before uncountable noun we use less. Likewise before countables we use few. So this is the difference between the use of less and few, as well as the same difference is there between the use of much and many. Okay, so I hope you got the difference between them. Okay, now we are going to see another group of quantitative determiners. Okay, but before dealing with another one group, let's see the difference between many and many-er. So let's begin. So as I told you, now after this we are going to see the difference between the use of many and many-er. Okay, first of all understand. Okay, another one group, that is many and many-er. Okay, many-er or an. Okay, both can be there. So difference between many and many-er and. So I think you might have heard about it. Okay, or you might have heard about them. Many-er. Have you? It's okay if you have heard or not, but today in our this class we are going to see the difference between the many and many, a or an. Okay, and the only one difference is there, and what is that? Many is used before plural. Okay, before plural countable noun. Okay, plural countable noun. Plural is more important. Okay, while many, a or an is used before singular countable noun. Singular countable noun. Okay, do you understand here? Many, a before singular countable noun, many before plural countable noun. Okay, this is the only difference between the use of many and many, a or an. ओके, मेनी या फिर मेनी और एन के यूज़ के इसमें डिफरेंस सिर्फ यही है कि मेनी के साथ प्लूरल तुम्हें काउंटेबल नाउन दिखेगा और मेनी या फिर एन के साथ सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन दिखेगा. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट्स सी एग्जांपल्स. सो नाउ लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. whether it is done, have you written in your copy? Okay, so now let's see. So here, first one example. Many great wet example. Okay, so many great men enjoyed the show. Okay, so look at there, many great men. Look at the plural. Okay, many benches were broken. Many benches were broken. So here many benches. Okay, plural noun, plural countable noun. Okay, benches. So here you have to understand that many is used with plural countable nouns. Okay, whereas a is many, a or an are used before singular countable nouns. So now let's see. Many an umbrella has been stolen. Okay, many an umbrella. Okay, or again you can say many an egg is rotten. Many an egg is rotten. Another you can say many a day was spent with her. Okay, many a day. Okay, so many a day was spent her. So this way singular countable nouns, day can be counted. Okay, day को हम count कर सकते हैं. Yes. So then this is what the difference between the many and many, a or an. Okay, or simply I can say many a man had or has died of cholera or corona. Okay, this way you can say that many, a or an is used before singular countable noun, and many is used before plural countable noun. Okay, so dear, I stop myself here. I hope you understood. I hope you understood the part I have done today. The use of much, many, less, and few. Okay, then many and many, a or an. Okay, these are the quantitative determiners that we have done in our today's class. Okay, tomorrow in our next one class we are going to see the quantitative determiners that are left. Okay, so keep watching my video and enjoy the classes. Bye bye.